So I added 3 medium chopped onions to the pan. Next, I am going to add our liquid seasoning, 1 cup of liquid seasoning. Stir it around. Let that all marinate together and cook up. Bring that to a somewhat boil. The 1 stick of margarine, the sauteed onions, and 1 cup of liquid seasoning. Let that come to a semi-boil. And I'm going to set this off to the side. 4 eggs. Just fry up 4 eggs like you're making eggs for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Whichever way. Just fry your eggs normal, okay? The eggs are done. I'm going to set these off to the side. And I'm going to bring our mixture back over. The liquid seasoning, 1 stick of margarine, liquid seasoning, and sauteed onions. Let the eggs rest over there to the side. I'm going to go ahead and add rice to the I'm going to go ahead and add some rice to the skillet. So we started off with 1 stick of margarine. 1 stick of margarine. Turn your heat on high. So we have turned the stove on high. We have 1 stick of margarine, sauteed onions, and now I'm going to add the rice to the mixture. On high heat, stir in the rice. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Stir in the seasoning. This is on medium heat. This is on high heat. Okay, my rice is running out the pan. Next, I'm going to go ahead on and stir in 1 cup of peas and carrots. Turn the heat down to medium heat. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead on and add the scrambled eggs. Saute your peeled shrimp in a separate pan. Doesn't take long for shrimp to cook. Just let them cook up some. And then we're going to add it to, once the peeled shrimp have turned pink, we're going to go ahead and add them to our mixture, which we have over setting on. We're going to go ahead and add them to the mixture. It doesn't take long. Rice mixture. Go ahead and add your shrimp to the rice mixture. This is basically about it. So we have our shrimp added to the mixture. Just mix it all up. Mix it all up. Homemade shrimp fried rice. Okay, mix the shrimp in to the rice mixture. Hey, how was the shrimp fried rice, Maylene? How's the shrimp fried rice?
Oh, that shrimp fried rice was getting like a motherfucker. I'm telling you. When you gonna bring me some more?
I'll
Fuck
bring.
that shit up.
It's about time to eat. I'll bring you some more
Plan.
tomorrow. I got
I
you.
want some